Inside the cavernous expanse of a steel mill, massive slabs of red-hot steel emerge from the reheating furnace, glowing at temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. These slabs, weighing up to 30 tons each, begin their journey through one of manufacturing's most impressive processes, the hot rolling mill. The first thing that strikes you is the scale. Overhead cranes move deliberately through clouds of steam, carrying steel slabs that dwarf the workers below. The air shimmers with heat as these glowing rectangles slide onto the entry roller table, beginning their transformation. Watch as the slab enters the roughing mill. This massive machine, standing several stories tall, houses rolls weighing up to 50 tons each. The steel passes through multiple times, each pass reducing its thickness while increasing its length. It's like rolling out dough, but with metal heated until it's nearly liquid. The roughing mill's rollers press down with forces reaching 10,000 tons, squeezing the steel like clay. With each pass, the slab stretches longer and thinner, its surface area expanding dramatically. The steel's crystalline structure is actually changing under this intense pressure and heat, becoming more refined and uniform. Now the steel enters the finishing mill, a series of stands arranged in tandem. Here, precision takes over. Computer-controlled rollers adjust automatically, ensuring exact thickness down to fractions of a millimeter. Water jets spray the steel, controlling both temperature and cooling rate, crucial factors in determining the final properties of the steel. The steel races through the finishing stands at increasing speeds, reaching up to 40 miles per hour. What started as a thick slab has become a thin, precisely shaped sheet or strip. The transformation is remarkable. Imagine a 10-inch thick slab becoming as thin as a quarter. As the steel exits the final stand, it enters the run-out table. Here, carefully controlled cooling begins. Rows of water jets create curtains of spray above and below the steel. This cooling phase is critical. It's where the steel develops its final mechanical properties. Finally, the finished product, now dramatically longer than when it started, is coiled into massive rolls weighing up to 25 tons each. These coils will go on to become everything from car bodies to building materials, washing machines to bridge components. The entire process from furnace to finished coil takes less than an hour. It's a testament to human ingenuity, transforming raw steel into precisely engineered products through a carefully choreographed dance of heat, pressure, and cooling.